Hi dears, I'm Dr. Flora, Assistant Professor, Department of Botany, St. Mary's College, Autonomous Thuthukudi. Today my topic is General Characteristic Features of chytridiomycetes. Chytridiomycetes is a class of fungi which comes under the division Masticomycotina. Uh, this class of fungi have the ability to produce the motile cells. That is nothing but the zoospores or planogametes during the asexual reproductions. These planogametes are nothing but the motile gametes. These motile gametes have the single posterior whiplash flagella. The flagellum is nothing but the smooth flagellum. These flagellums are attached on the fungal hyphae in the cell called as the blephroblast. Most of these members are aquatic in nature. In the aquatic, they are living as a saprophytes or parasites on the aquatic organisms that may be the plants or animals. Some inhabited on the soil also. In soil also, they are saprophytes. Sometimes they are parasitic on the economically important plants. And the example is Syncytrium endobiotica, which causes the wilt disease in the potatoes. Most of these class members are the unicellular. The unicellular algae have the single cell, and because of it is a single cell, the whole entire cell or whole cells are converted into the uh, reproductive structure during the maturity. So this type of reproductive structure formation is called as the holocarpic. The members like Olypidium, Microcyst, Rosella, etc. having this holocarpic character. Some are eucarpic, mostly the mycelial cells. The mycelial part of this fungi, one part of the portion is converted into the reproductive structure. Uh, the mycelium is showing the branch rhizoid in some organisms. Examples are the rhizopodium, and some of the members are showing the more extensive hyphae-like rhizoidal system called the rhizomycelium. The asexual reproduction is taken place by the zoospores. Already I told you, these zoospores are produced by the sporangia. The zoospores are released from the sporangium through the one pore on the wall that is called as the poria. Through the discharge tube is taken part. In most of the inoperculate species having this character. Sexual reproduction, you can see only a few species. If there is the sexual reproductions, the isogamous or anisogamous we can see in this group of fungi. In some species, sexual reproduction is taken part in the oogamous also. The oogamous type is most advanced. One of the order called monopliferadials, you can see this type of sexual reproduction. On the basis of the vegetative and reproductive structure, this subclass have three orders that is called the hydromycetes, hydridials, blastocardials, and monobliferadials. Chytridiales is the first order, so it shows some primitive characters. It's only have the two genera that is called the Hypochytridium and the Eudogoniomycetes. You can see in the picture also. The second order is called as the Blastocladiales. Blastocladiales, a typical mycelium you can see. The sexual reproductions is taken part or anisoplanogamous. The sporangia you can see in this order shows some thick-walled and resistant sporangia. The zoospores are having no refractive oil globule, but they has the nuclear cap. So, because of this reason, it swims evenly. The family Hypochytridiaceae belongs to this order. The last order is called as the monobliferadians. It is having the typical mycelium because it is more advanced than the chytridials. Sexual reproduction is heterogamous in nature here because of motile male and non-motile female gametes. You can see in this order, resistance sporangia is lacking. Thank you.